Do you feel like you suck at Guitar Hero? Do you feel like buttons won't take every note you try to play? No worries, you're not bad at this game. Reason is your controller. And here's how to fix it. I know I'm 15 years late with this video, but I still play this game every once in a while and maybe some of you are too. Main reason why buttons randomly miss the note is the neck connector. It was bad when the guitar was new and now even worse when all the parts are worn out a bit, because sliding surfaces between neck and body are loose, so the contact points of the connector may separate from each other when you move your hand across the neck. And it's a very annoying problem, but I will show how to swap a solid cable between the neck and body and get rid of this connector once and for all. And be careful when you open the guitar because the original connector cable is quite short. So basically I will install cable and I will leave extra loop inside because neck needs to be installed to the body after the both halves are put back together. And any cable works if it has 6 or more leads inside. I studied the pin numbers and this is how cable needs to be soldered. So neck has multiple grounds because there's multiple buttons, but after original connector there's only one ground going to the PCB. So I will connect the soldering points from the neck. So I will make the ground with only one lead to the PCB on the body. And PCB has names matching the neck symbols, so it's easy to double check that everything goes to the right places. And before installing everything back, I recommend to clean the button sides so that those are sliding easily in and out when you push them. And also use the contact cleaner for these carbon things to improve the contact when button is pushed. So now everything back together and you're all set.